2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-theft security system, cruise control, floor mats, front wheel drive, fog lamps, daytime running lamps, rear view camera, power outlet, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.